Morning, well, it's Hippy Trev here. Another beautiful day up here in Paradise. Looking around another 35, 36 maybe, so roll that intro.
Hi, Hippy Trev here, and welcome to my channel. Hope you get something out of it.
Rightio, well, it's Hippy Trev here. So even though I said at the end of yesterday's vid that I was going to take off over to Skerryburra on the bike today and go and catch up with cute Jody, I've had to change of plan because right at the moment, I just want to get this job done, and right at the moment I've only got that one solar panel working up at the front. But so right at the moment I've only got this one solar panel working at the front, and that's not enough to charge all my batteries while I'm using the inverter and everything. So yeah, I want to get this painted and done. I want my solar panels all hooked up, all my kill switches up there and all wired in, and not only that, I'm hanging out for the mail because the big GT fan, thank you, express post up that GoPro 5 that I've got, and hopefully that'll be arriving here today as well. So I thought, you know what, I'll stay home, I'll hang around, wait for the mail, and like I said, I'm going to get up there and start painting. So got my paint, got my brush, let's get up there and start getting into it before it gets too hot. And it's only just gone, I think, what are we? I think it's just gone 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock or something in the morning. It's only early. I just hope I don't run out of paint. Rightio, let's start. Let's get this job started. Yeah, I'm out of my first little container of paint, and the postie dropped something at the mailbox, so hopefully it's the GoPro 5. Fingers crossed. And it doesn't look like no GoPro 5. It looks like a bunch of bells of some sort. Right, yeah, so no GoPro 5. Just some crappy mail. I'll get you back up on the roof. I'm going to fill my little container of paint up, and I'm going to get up here and finish off what I've got to do over there, and then come finish off what I've got to do over here. Shouldn't take long. So, sorry to disappoint the big GT fan. No GoPro in the mail today. Overnight Express has not been overnight express for over a year now, because I used to send a lot of stuff express, and what used to be overnight is now pretty much 3 days. And actually I've sent stuff normal post and it's been quicker than express post. So go figure, you pay all that extra money for a product you don't get. Anyway, it should be here tomorrow. So probably won't go over to Jody's tomorrow anyway. I think she said she was heading off for it. Oh yeah, first coat done. I'm going to go and wash my brush and rinse out my paint. I need to go and wash my brush, rinse out my container, go and have a cup of tea, Oops. Go and have a cup of tea, come back, put a second coat on there, and hopefully got enough paint to get that done. Righto, Wells, catch you later. Bye. Righto, Wells, I'm going to set you up there, and then I'm going to get my paint, and we're going to get onto this second coat and get it done. It's fucking hot up here already. So, I just have to move you around bit by bit. I'm going to start up the front up here and work my way back. I'm going to go down and get some more paint mixed up. I don't have enough. Righto, well, that's done. That's 2 coats on. Oh, bit of a head rush up here. Spinning that a bit. Fuck. Righto, let that dry for a little while. Go and have a cup of tea. And then just come back and start. First I'm going to go and wash out my brushes. Find my brush. Right, I go wash out my brush. And then it's go and wash, yeah. Then I've got to sit about and get my solar panels all set up. I've got some feet to paint, solar panel feet to paint, and I've got those kill switches to set up. I've still got a fair bit to do before I get the solar panels wired up. So anyway, second coat is on, it's warm. I'm feeling it already. Righto, well, catch you later. Bye. Righto, well, it's pretty warm, so I'm going to get up there. I've got the kill switches up there, I've got a bit of tools up there. I'm going to get up there. I'm now going to put that solar panel into position, take its feet up and everything I need. I'm actually going to put black tape that Eric gave me underneath the some of the fittings. I might have to make 2 trips. It's going to be a little bit warm up there. Anyway, we'll see how we go. I don't have to stay on the roof for long. I can work off the ladder for most of it. The first thing I need to do is get the solar panel in a position and secured. So, put you guys there. It's a rather large panel, this one. Rightio. Let's get oh shit, that's hot. Rightio, let's get some feet on. That glass is hot. Right, leg, metal screw. One more for good luck. That's it. Right, that's as good as that gets. Right. Right, said Fred. Let's go and have another cup of tea. Actually, no, he didn't. He said, let's go and get this fucking, let's start getting this wired in. I have to make up leads. I don't know what to do all my old leads. I've put them somewhere. I don't know where that somewhere is. So, right, round the other side we go. Yeah, well, it's getting fucking warm up here. Oh shit. Right, yeah. Line coming in. Get in there, will you? I think I've got the clamp. I can clamp these things with me bolt cutters. There we go. Works well. Even though it does distort them a little bit. Rightio. Negative. Rightio. That's that part fucking done. Let's start getting some wires hooked up, shall we? Oh, that's a bugger. I got the wrong eyelet on the end. I know I've got a negative lead already made up down there somewhere. Where is it? Right. So you're going to have to go under there and you're going to have to come back to there. Well, that probably... Right, I don't know much you can see. I've got to take this negative back off. So I'll get rid of these out of the way. Right, yeah, that's that. Now let's get serious about wiring this shit up. Negative. That's a negative. And that's a negative. Right, that should be all the negatives to there. That simplifies it a lot, actually. I haven't such that big ass cable there now. So I'm going to check all this. You guys can't really see. Right, I'm going to check all this. Negative. Right. Positive, this panel, and the negative is off the panel. That's tight, rightio. Now we're back to there. This one, so now I just need to run the positive onto here. Where's this big nut? Where's its big brass fucking nut? That's not it. There it is. I haven't put the washer on. This one goes to here. How much battery I got left? Enough, hopefully. Right, so positive but negatives on the kill switch. Positive from here, doesn't go for any kill switch, it's permanently on. Well, that's got to be tightened. Not do anything else. As it should be. Nice and tight, that's everything wired in. Now all I have to do is go and turn the solar panels on downstairs and then come up and then click on the kill switches one at a time and make sure they all work the way they're supposed to. This battery's about to die, like me. Alright. How many volts in the battery? 12.9. Kick on that panel. 12 amps coming down, 13.7. Rightio, well, just got a little bit of trim up I want to do, just on that line there. I'm going to do the trim up, but panels are up, kill switches are up, it's painted, and I've only got that little small section at the front, and I don't even know when I'm going to get to that. So, rightio, well, thanks. Rightio, well, so anyway, ready for the next rain, and I hope it rains soon, because everything around here, my lawn is crunchy. Crunchy, but not like a chocolate milkshake. This is crunchy, dead dry. Look how absolutely dead bone dry this whole thing is. So I think we're coming on to what, 3 months, no rain. I've just switched off the main tank, the big tank. It's down to about half. Started running out of the small tank. If we don't get rain soon, and I see smoke off in the distance as well. I know Tara's on fire out near where I used to live. Out around Spinifex, between Tara and Kogan on the Kogan Road. I lived down on Arnold's Road there. Also lived on Males Drive. Tara's under flames. I really feel for you blockies out there. It's basically this case of them to get the fuck out and get the fuck out now. I was always terrified. I mean, I had 33 acres of beautiful bush down there, but I was always terrified of fires, absolutely. And I'm glad I am where I am, but that doesn't mean we can't get burnt out here either. So anyway, well, job done. Hole's all sealed up, she's painted, a little bit of trim to go just to make it pretty, then a bit of a clean up, and then the front section if and when I get around to it. So, rightio, well, what a saga. I started in June. I think I actually started this job in June this year. So, rightio, well, stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and I will catch you later. Bye.